results achieved, beautiful results. After saying Chinabihak, Limutakina, he opened it a little. The following stanza, similar to its clarification like its rendering, individuals who, what is the meaning of the righteous, O Lord? Referring to those individuals, meaning those people. If we discover the significance of what Almighty God explains within ourselves, it is of utmost importance. We can proceed with this finding. If required, we need to carry out the multiplication process, because it also portrays the righteous and devout individuals, those who have reverence for us and live in fear of our power. Don't hesitate, it's not something done willingly. If the shyness has occurred in the servant, it is the state of shyness. The man is scared of us. Who do you fear? They fear their Lord. How is he, she doing? Is it a crane that is about to fall around? Is there always something like this happening? Is it a visible threat? No, he is hesitating like a ghost. In other words, it means that the Almighty can change all the parameters in life at any moment, and of course He can change them through a world of His choosing. Thus, it has the potential to impact your health, diminish your relationships, disrupt your productivity, hinder your business, and jeopardize the reliability of the mountains you trust. The fear that whatever is present in your life, Allah can intervene in those things at any given moment, and therefore disrupt this positive flow and progress that you have been experiencing in your life. The fear of His servant towards the Lord. Since this fear is not voluntary, a person cannot manage to be afraid willingly or intentionally on their own accord. How can I manage to be scared? Succeeds when he knows. Success comes when danger realizes the risk. Knowledge gives understanding. Fear Allah. God stated that among His servants, the scholars have reverence for Allah and possess the capability to attain fear. When the servant realizes that the strings are truly in the hands of the Almighty, he understands who he should be afraid of and starts to fear genuinely. But the strings aren't in the hands of the Almighty. If I manage my health and my own conditions well, I'll get the guarantee, leading to trust. If he believes that he will experience positive emotions once more by taking necessary measures to safeguard the things he is fearful of losing in his vicinity, since such individuals disregard the reality that Allah has the ability to intervene in every facet of life at any given time, it is probable that any peril can infiltrate their lives at any given moment. But this occurrence startles them. Where did it happen? Why did we get this disease when we were eating so well and healthy? Or how did our beloved family members decrease, pass away, vanish like this, leaving us in disbelief? We don't understand how things suddenly went wrong. The divine hand intervening in life in a way we never expected. Lacking awareness of life's governing power endangers a person equally as staying ignorant of it, putting themselves in danger to the same extent. It means putting oneself at risk, right in the middle of the risk. Therefore, it is possible to establish contact with the owner of the guarantee life and beg for not doing it. And those who are fearful of their Lord and those who are mindful of their Lord's punishment, Allah described the good ones, the believers, and those who manage the human, fragile, and vulnerable aspects within themselves properly.